So I look like a mess because I've been sleeping all day today. But I just went outside because I was expecting a package. But I got more than a... You'll see. I got a lot more. It's basically like Christmas. More like my birthday though, because birthday's coming up in October. But look at that. Oh my god. I was definitely expecting the big one that actually was supposed to sign for it. But I guess I didn't have to. But yeah, and I got 2 other ones as well. Hey guys, what's up? So it's Emily here. So as you can see by the videos I showed you, I got a lot of packages today and I'm very excited to open it up. And as you can tell by the little clip I did, yes, it has to do with the Oogie Boogie Man. Very excited, and also I'm sorry if I'm keeping a low tone. It's because people are sleeping next door, so, and this was the best time for me to film it, so that's why I'm keeping a low tone. But I'm very excited. So I'm not going to be unboxing the Disney box. I'm going to say that for another video. I most likely probably already have that video up. So yeah, I'll link that in the bio then. But anyways, yeah, so I ordered these 2 items from eBay. The bottom one was actually supposed to come on Wednesday, so I'm really excited that it came today. And then the top one is my little Oogie Boogie that I'm very excited about. This one didn't have a tracking number to it, so like I was really nervous about it, but I ended up getting it. So I'm gonna open the first one first, and then I'm gonna open the bottom one. So let's begin. So this one, they both are from like Disney. This one's from the Disney parks. I forget when this one was out, but I think it's really cute. It was like the only one that was on eBay, and I saw on Amazon that it was selling for quite a lot. So I'm very excited that I was able to get it. Hopefully I don't whip it. Okay, the box is so cute. So here's the box. I ripped some of the paper, but it's like double wrapped. So it's in here. So I was wrapping this little paper thing, and now it's in the bag. Oh wait, maybe this is my bigger one. Oh, this is my bigger one. Okay, so here is my Oogie Boogie. This was a lot smaller than what I thought it was gonna be. I knew it was gonna be 8 inches, but like I thought it was actually gonna be bigger than this. But it's still really cool. And on the side, which I thought it was supposed to be on both of the sides, but on one of the sides you can see the bugs. So I thought it was really cool because I had two of them I had in mind. They said they were both 8 inches, but the one looked bigger though. But I chose this one because I just kind of liked this one better, and I thought like the feature of the bugs looked really cool. It's only on this side, it's not on the other side. But yeah, and it's like a beanbag one. So yeah, and as you can tell by the tag, it still have the regular tag on it. Let me see if it has a date on it. I don't think it has a date on it, but it says the Disney show on it. So yeah, I thought this was gonna be a lot bigger. I know it's dumb, but anyways, yeah, I think it's really cute though. So I have this little tiny Oogie Boogie. This one, I thought the other one was in that one, but I guess maybe the smaller one is in this one, or maybe it's something else, who knows. But I'm gonna open it up now. So there's a lot of tape on it. I'm actually gonna open up from the bottom because it's easy to get to. And the Oogie Boogie stands like this. So yeah, because I did like a poll and a lot of people told me to get the other one, but I wanted to get that one instead. Oh no, this is not what I thought it was. my god, this came really early. Okay. So this is not what I thought it was. It wasn't another Oogie Boogie. So I got this. It is Sally. And this is from the Disney parks. And then this is what she just looks like. She's just a little plush. And like I already have all like I have like a big Sally, a big Jack, and then 2 zeros. But I really want to kind of like a tiny little Sally, and like this is like really cute. Like it's really cute. So that's what I got. I'm really surprised because I actually thought I got the other Oogie Boogie. So I'm sorry for misleading. But yeah, I think it's really cool. Hopefully I get the Oogie Boogie that didn't have a freaking tracking number, because that one kind of makes me nervous in a way. But yeah, and like I said, I was kind of expecting this one to be bigger, but it's alright. I think it's like really cute. It kind of fits more my style. So yeah, I really like this. I'm supposed to get the 3 trick-or-treaters, but I have not. The shipping, I have the tracking number, but the thing was supposed to be here Friday, and it is now, what day is it? It is now Monday, which is not a big difference, but still, it should have been here. I'm gonna wait until it's a full week, and then I'm gonna have to probably call or something. But I'm supposed to get them, and I was gonna have a Oogie Boogie with them, but Oogie Boogie's probably bigger than them, maybe. But yeah, and then the Sally is just really cute. I just wanted her because I wanted another like decoration of Sally. So I have her, and I think she's really cute. She doesn't have like any stains or anything. She was just like hanging. She was technically like on the shelf or whatever for like display. So yeah, she basically looks brand new. And so does the Oogie Boogie too. The Oogie Boogie looks brand new too. And like I said, I really like how it has. I like how it has the regular tag on the side. And this is what it looks on the bottom. And I like how it has the bugs on the side of it. I think it's like really cool. So that is what I got. I got Sally and Oogie Boogie. So like I said, I'll have the link down below to the Disney haul. So yeah, and I probably will upload this in September, so happy September. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. Hopefully I get my other Oogie Boogie so I can show you guys. So yeah.